When you're designing your staircase, make sure you think about its width and its depth of the tread. And where you want to light up. And welcome to Firehouse. We are excited to show you the progress that we have made. Come on in.
In this episode, we're going to talk about the transformation of the stairwell and the office.
Come on up our teeny tiny staircase.
Until it gets demoed. Entryways are important to everyone, but you got to see this transformation. What? How'd you do it? How'd you do it, girl? Are we sure those are the right bulbs? That's fine. That's weird. One really exciting thing that we get to redo as a result of this is this staircase. It was always a thorn in the homeowner's side. We're excited to change the location of the staircase after the fire. Big focal point when you enter this house, the door is gonna swing this way because we're gonna change it up. A place to drop your things. We used to walk into a tiny staircase and a eeny weeny teeny weeny closet. So as you can see, this is a vast improvement. One of the battles for the staircase for me was to make sure that it looked really refined and featured the tread of the white oak and the railing. We've constructed the staircase to support what's about to come to fruition. So the skirt board is in, the spindles will die into that, the stair treads will be wood with the riser wood as well, so it'll be a nice clean look. We transformed this area to create a moment for art, a pause, storage that's handsome, and a beautiful railing. This space is functional as well as aesthetic. These spindles are spaced so we have a light sharing and it's softened with this wood topper. So aesthetically it looks great and it still feels open and airy and gets you to the second floor.
To complete the look of this stairwell, we wanted to make sure that the owner's art that he saved from the fire was prominent and nothing else was in the way of making sure that it was the star of the show. In order to achieve that, we picked a piece of art that was very different. So here we have a textured piece of art. It's narrow because this is a narrow wall, and we anchored it with 2 pillows above this beautiful bench. Now we've got to clean up this giant mess. Get shelves on the wall.
Good Lord.
Art, chair.
Is this ever gonna be an office? So this is the client's office. Sure, we could have moved in a desk and a chair, but we chose to go a different route and do something built-in. So what this requires at this length and depth is metal studs that go in during framing, and the metal studs that stick out help support the underside of this desk. I chose to put 2 drawers in to serve the customer, obviously for a desk, and you know what? We're gonna put a really cool piece of stone on it with a little dropped edge, and it'll be a customized piece. To me, all in, it'll probably be the same amount as a retail high-end desk, but it'll be completely customized and fun for the client to choose. Okay, so this guy needs a new globe. Thanks for joining us at the Firehouse.
If you want to get the look of this beautiful house, please look below for a link to our newsletter on Substack, where you can find products to make your space look like this house.
We hope you subscribe, like, share, all the things. I'm talking to you, Mom.
You know what to do. Click that like, follow button. Thank you so much for joining us.
See you on the next one.
Go ahead.